One of our absolute best-selling products, this one, the 37-ton Megga split, and one of my personal favourites. A couple of upgrades to go through with you for 2024, just to keep us ahead of the competition. We've now added the jockey wheel on the front to help manoeuvre this thing around. It was an optional extra, but now it's included on all of these machines, no extra cost. When we get some of these machines back for overhaul and service, particularly after they've been out in the hire industry where they get a really hard life, we've noticed the mudguards take a bit of a rough and tumble, so we've upgraded the bracketry on those. The beam, the H-beam, the main body of this product, it's now upgraded to S355 steel for massive yield strength. We've put a larger oil reservoir filler cap on there, just to make things a bit simpler for maintenance. Yeah, they're available for immediate dispatch. We've got these in stock. They've got our 3-year warranty on them.